of the application, and it's very easy application to use, and you can see pretty much all the supported websites which can pretty much download videos or even images from. So you have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Dailymotion, Likey, and pretty much this is, I think it's X, but Twitter. Let's call it Twitter. Anyways, once you have copied a link or link of an image, link of a video from any one of these platforms, all you have to do is pretty much tap on the option here and paste it here. Once you have pasted here, you're pretty much good to go. It will ask you to download it. Once you have select the download option, you will start downloading. It's that simple. So in the three dots over here, you can also clear the search results and so forth. Nothing much for that, as you can see here. And go down here, you may see pretty much show you the download process as it relates to you downloading these videos or images. Whatever the case is, we'll pretty much show you in this section here. And once they are finished downloaded, you'll be seeing them in the download section. So very easy application to use, very straightforward. And if you still don't understand, guys, you may need to subscribe because I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next one.